We got turbo. Hey, Bob. What are we gonna do today? Let's roll. Let's go. Let's take it home. There's the MR2. Welcome to my channel. This is Toyotero at Old School Yotas. Today we're working on a little old school Camry 2001, and it's missing the entire powertrain. Wowzers. So here it goes. There's the motor. There's the new trans we put it on. There's the old trans down there we took out. That little buddy right there got a bad diff, making all sorts of noises. We got a nice fresh one in there, and we are putting the rear main seal. We already did that. We're gonna tighten these bolts right here. We put the gasket in the back, paper gasket. It came with this kit right here, and we got a kit right here. Let's see if I can get a kit number. There's the kit number right there. All right, there you have it. Comes with a rear main seal, and it comes with that gasket right there in the floor. So we're gonna continue putting this together, clean it up a little bit more. Then we're gonna finish up putting that seal, output shaft seal in the transmission. And once we get it all done and put it in the car, we're gonna do the oil pan and filter on the transmission. But there you have it, good old Camry engine. Good old Camry engine. All right, let's keep on working. This spacer has a notch right there. Make sure you clean it real good. Also clean your flywheel. I already kind of clean it. That tap right there that you see goes right in here, so you can tell it kind of stays in there. You put that in there. Clean your flywheel real good. Then face it in there. Could have put the flywheel on there too. Okay, if you have any doubt on how this flywheel positions in this engine, so what you want to see is there's the marks for the torque converter, but what you look for that's easier, see, this is where the bolts went. So the bolts went in this way. That means that this flywheel goes in this way, okay, because the torque converter bolts to the front face of that right there. You want to use some Loctite. I use Loctite 262 red. There's my bolts. There's going to be another washer we got to put in. Is this one down here. It's pretty clean, but I'm still going to wipe it down. This one has got an edge on it, so the rounded part goes in, and you can see where the bolts went, so that's obvious too. So it's in there like so, and get your bolts ready. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take all my bolts, and I'm gonna run them on the grinder here and take all the old Loctite and dirt out of them. They're a lot cleaner now, so you can see. But we're gonna go put them back together. So I'm gonna put some Loctite on each one of them, and then we're gonna put them on the engine. Put a nice drop on each one. You ain't gotta put a whole bunch of it. Just put enough in there. Let's put them on. So we got them in there. Now we're gonna sap them with the air tool. All right, now we got them on. We're gonna go ahead and finish up the transmission and bolt it together. Right, so when you install the output shaft seal or any other seal like this one right here, always make sure it's flush evenly. You cannot have one side sticking out and then one all the way in here. It has to be looking flush just like that. Before you put your torque converter, clean this area right here. Make sure there's fresh fluid inside. Take as much out as you can and put it back in there. And yeah, let's put that bad boy in there, and let's try to put that transmission over there. All right, Toyotero's back. We have the transmission. It's mated with the motor. There's all the brackets in place. There's the transmission and the engine all together. Right there. There you have it. Everything's where it goes. Be going in a few minutes. I gotta check a couple more things before everything's plugged in. We'll be doing the pan gasket later when we get it on the car. A bit easier on the car since the car's already raced up. All right, well, there she goes. We're getting close. Gotta do a diff fluid on it. Once it's on the car, motor mount seems to be good. All right, that's a little puppy dog right there. All right, ahí lo tienen, mi gente. Ya mismito vamos para adentro. All right, we got the Camry done. We got the Camry done, and we're test driving it right now. And this Camry got a healthy 360 something thousand miles. Check it out. Let's hear it shift. Start from the beginning. Let's stop again because you didn't start right. Let's start all the way from the beginning. All right, let's go. One more Toyota rescued from the grips of what? Huh? From the grips of death. No Toyota should be in the graveyard. 363,333. Run that brand new cold air too. Oh, we got the windows down, but yes sir, cold air. All right, Toyotero says goodbye. Check it out, I got your headlights installed, your HID lights. I got your corner lights installed. Looking good, looking good. We test drove the car. I made a video for it. Pop that hood, pop that hood. We're gonna check the fluid levels one more time. Oh man, getting old. All right, we're gonna check the fluid levels real quick. All right, we check all the fluids. Everything's good to go. Topped off over there. Clean coolant, clean transmission fluid. Let's see what that looks like. Let's clean the stick real quick. Put it back inside. Put the stick back in, pull it out. Now we're gonna look at it perfectly on the line, on the hot line. As you can see right there, perfectly okay. All right, test drove it, runs real good, as you saw in the other video. And we are done. We're done for today. Tomorrow we're gonna clean it, make it look a little bit clean, and then we'll be done with it. I love the lights, love the lights. Looks like a different car already. All right, Toyotero says goodbye again.